We're here in another adventurous trip, a trip to a nearby village. It's called Arosim. So again, it's kind of walking through the forest. We have a trail here again, and let's see where it leads us. Bushy and creepy. Middle of the forest. Yeah. And today again there's no rain, so we took our chances and we're walking down through this trail. Let's see where it leads us. So guys, we are in the middle of the forest again, quite deep. We have walked about I guess more than 700 meters, more than I think we have another few meters to walk. I think it's a one kilometer trail, I'm sure about it. And if you pay attention, in the background you can hear the water. You can hear the sound of the water. And we have to walk through this mucky area, but let's walk through it. And I can hear the sounds from this side. Yeah? Well, let's walk through this. Oh my God, look at me again with my chappals. Yeah, but we are walking, and we have with us Natty, who is also walking through this, and she has an umbrella, and it's quite deep. See me? See my feet here? Okay, we are walking through this kind of slimy area. You have to walk a little careful. Now I'm going a little more deeper. Yeah, almost till my knees, I guess. And here we are going out, and let's walk. Let's walk. We are very close. I can hear this water. I can hear the waterfall. So I guess there is a waterfall around here. Can you hear the sound in the background? We are very close towards the waterfall. Hear it from this side. But we have to go straight because this is a trail. Let's follow the trail. Look at this beauty. Water finds its own way. We have not yet reached the source, but we are walking, we are marching forward, and still through the kind of rocky. This is better because it's having some rocks underneath, so we don't have any chance of getting slipped here. Don't know how far we have to go, but we are walking. We are walking. I think we are very close somewhere. It's adventure. Adventure with Kolhapuris and sandals. Part of life. Okay. We still have to walk through this creepy area. I hope Natty is fine. How will someone come here? Careful. See the risk Natty is taking here? Walking through nature, a dense forest, real forest. We have walked for more than a kilometer. I guess you can hear the water around us, trees, branches, dense forest. And watch this, guys. Natty, it's slimy down here, huh? It's slimy, huh? So you see, actually, it's very slimy. But look at this, guys. Look at this. And you have to walk through here to reach there. Oh. Kind of creepy. Come. Oh, kind of slippery here. Oh. Finally, the great waterfall of Azosim. The great waterfall of Arosim. Amazing. A natural beauty. Extraordinary. Take a look at this. Take a look at this. Coming through the forest, making its way down here through this jungle of deep inside from the nearest road. It's about 1 kilometer plus. Look at this beauty. We're glad to be here. And there you have the forest waterfall. If you don't come here in the month of June, July or August, you're going to miss it. Well friends, we are going to make our way out now. This is all about Arosim.